Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to use the Capitec Virtual Card. Okay, this is very easy. So all you need to do first is launch the Capitec app. Okay, and then go ahead and tap on the menu icon in the top right corner of the app landing screen. Okay, so it's basically the three dots. I want you to go ahead and click on that. And then go ahead and tap on settings. After this, I want you to go ahead and tap on QR settings. And then I want you to choose scan to pay. Okay. You can use scan to pay with your virtual card to pay for payments. And then just go ahead and choose which card you want to use to scan to make your purchases. And if you don't want to use scan to pay, what you can do is actually just find your virtual card on the app. And here you will find all your card details, right? The card number, expiration date, and CVV code. So just tap on the virtual card to get your details and then go ahead and use that, okay, to pay for any purchases online on any website. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.